In this video, we are going to see about fractions. In order to understand fraction, consider a situation where we are having 5 pieces of cake with us. Out of those 5, I am eating 2 pieces of cakes. Now, the question is about what fraction of cake is pending or remaining. The answer will be 3 by 5 is remaining. From this, we can conclude fraction is nothing but part of the whole or part of the total number. Now, let's see in depth. Fraction will be in the format of P by Q. In simple words, fraction can be written mathematically in the format P by Q. Now the question arises, sir, what is this P and what is this Q? P is nothing but the numerator, whereas Q is nothing but the denominator. So, in order to say a particular parameter to be a fraction, the condition is the number should be in the format of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. In simple words, fraction consists of a numerator, a denominator, whereas denominator must not be 0. Why it should not be 0? Because if the denominator is 0, it becomes undefined. Okay. Now, this fraction is divided into two types, proper fraction and improper fraction. Let's go with the example. 2 by 3 is an example for a proper fraction, whereas 9 by 7 is an example for an improper fraction. Sir, how you are saying 2 by 3 is a proper fraction? See, here numerator is there, denominator is there, and denominators are not equal to 0, hence I can conclude they are 100% fraction. But in this case, numerator is less than the denominator, whereas in this case, numerator is greater than the denominator. If numerator is less than the denominator, that fraction is known as proper fraction, whereas if numerator is greater than the denominator, that particular fraction is termed to be improper fraction. Now the question arises, why we need to study all those things? Sir, in competitive examinations, most of the answers calculation will be based on proper fractions only, and in reasoning concepts like clocks, the answer will come in improper fraction, but the options will not be there in improper fraction. We need to convert the improper fraction into some other format. So in which format we need to convert? So we need to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So from this I am concluding, from this improper fraction another fraction arises and it is termed to be mixed fraction. So can you show how it is getting formed? So consider a situation where I am dividing 9 by 7. I can write like this. So from this I can conclude 1, 2 by 7. So how you are writing in the sense, how we can remember is, so this is the answer. From this we need to go in a triangular format. 1, 2 by 7. So from this, how I can define a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, let's get into the deep analysis. This 1, 2 by 7 can be written as 9 by 7. Similarly, I am adding 1 and 2 by 7. Here also I will be getting 7 plus 2, 9 by 7. From this, the main thing we need to understand is, it is similar to write 1, 2 by 7 as like as 1 plus 2 by 7. Which means, even if I write 1, 2 by 7 or 1 plus 2 by 7, the answer will be same. Sir, in simplification concept, in time and work concept, these plays a major role. The final conclusion is mixed fraction is a combination of a proper fraction and a whole number. Let's see the overall glance. Fraction, part of a total number. Mathematically, P by Q format where Q should not be equal to 0. If P is less than Q, it is termed as proper fraction. If P is greater than Q, it is termed as improper fraction. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction, whereas mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Hope it helped you. Thank you.